very rare to get that perfect temperature where you are 100% comfortable. And sometimes you just need to rely on your furnace or air conditioner to reach that 100% comfortable temperature. The same holds true when you are out and about in your RV. Along with having the perfect temperature, you need to have an excellent ducting system to get all the perfect air to you. Hi, I am Lindsay from RecPro, and today we're here to talk about one of our many ducting accessories. So today we have our 2-inch furnace adapter. So this furnace adapter's product code is RP-2301. So this furnace adapter is 2 inches, like I said. It has these notched edges along the edge, obviously, because it's notched edges. But these are along the edge and allows you to connect this to your furnace with ease. Makes it really easy to install as well. It has this 2-inch hose connector that you can connect your 2-inch ductwork to. This adapter is created from galvanized steel. So galvanized steel is made through the process of taking steel and coating it with a zinc alloy coating. So this zinc alloy coating allows it to be more resistant to rust and corrosion, giving it a longer lifespan. So if you guys are interested in upgrading your RV ductwork or even creating one straight from scratch, please check out the link in the description down below. And while you're there, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.